Hello everyone, how are you? Well, here I am. And I'm going to show you, I think I'm probably pretty well done as far as, there might be a couple other little things that I'm getting for my Christmas decor this year. But anyway, I wanted to show you what I'm doing and kind of explain a couple things. Okay. Hobby Lobby has some gorgeous garland. Problem is, I'm not willing to pay $40 or $50, and that's half off, because some of them are $79, $89, and half off, well, I'm not going to pay it. So I do have some pretty full garland that I got from QVC probably, oh gosh, 5 years ago. So what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to put these picks into the garland to fill it up and make it look like the one garland that I really liked. So I got some of these, and they're all half off, and they were $5.99 regularly, half off. So I got some of those, and in my other haul that you saw, I got a couple more. So I just added, knowing that I had those, and so that will be what I get for some of the garland in my kitchen and in my family room. So you're getting kind of a feel of what it's going to kind of look like, okay? Then I got these little picks, and these were 99 cents half off. And these are going to go into some DIYs that I'm doing. And again, they match this. Then I got 3 of these picks, and they're like these ones over here. The only difference is they're not flocked at the tips, and they don't have the pine cones. So I will use these as well in the family room and kitchen. And by the time you're done, you will have just as pretty of a garland as you would if you would have paid $50, $60, $70. So if you have garland, just get some picks and insert them in sporadically into that garland, and it will honestly be just as pretty. Okay. Now, I am going to use a little bit, because I liked the black and white so much, I'm going to use a little bit in my Christmas decor as well. Again, not a lot, but I'm using a plaid this year. Well, you'll be seeing. I don't know if I showed you in a haul or not. Whatever. But it's got green, red, black, cream. So this will go perfectly with that. So I just got this little plaque. There's no place like home. I thought that was cute. And to go with that, I got these picks. And these, you can see they have the black and white check, and then the rusted out bell and some pine cones. So these will go into my tree in my family room. And this will go somewhere in my family room as well. Okay, this I bought, a couple months ago, but I never showed you because I haven't put it up yet. But I think I'm going to put this up either on my hutch or in my kitchen somewhere with my Christmas decor, and then after Christmas this will go on my hutch with my regular decor. So that I've had for quite a while. Then I got this because my kitchen's going to be in gingerbread, and I have a whole series of gingerbread DIYs coming up. I think it's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have either 4 or 5 gingerbread DIYs coming up. So this is going to look cute. Because they had some with the gingerbread pictures, but the gingerbread pictures I didn't care for because it's not the feel of what I'm going for in my kitchen. So anyway, I got this and I thought that would be cute because it's in the brown and the red. Here's the little mitten, and I can make that fit in perfectly with gingerbread. Then I got a couple of these, I don't know if you can tell or not, these ribbon. And these ribbon, they're not red and white or green and white, they're red and cream and green and cream. And again, this is more what I'm looking for in my kitchen decor. Then I got this Farmhouse Christmas, it's a milk can, and this will go in my kitchen. And this was $5. And something that I'm making is going in this, so this is going to go perfect. Then I got 3 of these little signs, and these were $2.99 half off. The most wonderful time of the year. Believe in the magic of Christmas and joy. And like I said, maybe 1 or 2 might go on the tree, but 1 for sure is going in a DIY that I'm making. I needed to get some dowels, and you'll understand when I do the DIY. And then I got this pick, and this looks like it's coated in sugar, and this is going in a DIY that I'm doing. Actually, this is going to go in a faux dessert that I'm making for Christmas. So you faux lovers, be ready for a couple DIYs at least with faux goodies. And then I got this material, but this material is very bright, okay? And that's not what I want. I want more of this look, the cream. Do you see the difference? I don't know if you can tell the difference or not. But I'm going to do a DIY showing how you can antique this material to make it look old and stained. So I'll be showing you how I do this before I make what I'm going to make with this material. I got this piping. This is in the upholstery department at Hobby Lobby, and you buy it by the yard. And it's 59 cents or 79 cents depending on the thickness, and I got 2 different thicknesses, as you can see. See that? They're 2 different. And I'm making something with this, and this was half off. So it was half off 59 and half off 79. So that was really good. Good deal. And I had to pick this up. It was in the summer. It was clearanced. But my one son is an avid griller. So this is kind of a little joke, but I got him this. Down here for my kitchen, I got this 3-foot Christmas tree. And if you notice, it's exactly like the pics that I got. But I'm not going to take it out of the box because I just want to leave it until I'm ready to put it up. That will go in, that's one of the trees that'll go in my kitchen. See, it all goes together. More plaster of Paris, so you know what that means. Faux food, and I have a surprise DIY I think you guys are really going to like that I'm going to do out of plaster of Paris. And then I got one little faux cake, and it's an ornament, but I want to dissect it and figure out how I can make mine kind of look like this for some little ones I'm doing. So, guys, I just wanted to show you what I got. And it's just a little bit of everything, but everything here is what possibly a garland would have cost half off. That's why I didn't want to pay that much for a garland, because I can do so much more with my money than just buy one garland, right? So I just thought I'd let you see what I got. So until we get together with another DIY, and there will be one very soon, because I have a lot of them for Christmas. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.